Alright, this is for all my Kawasaki people. 2012 KX450. They say the fuel filter is non-serviceable. That is definitely not true. Grab your 10mm, little wrench, little flathead, and a Phillips head. So I'm gonna go over pulling this thing out. You don't have to worry the orientation, it only goes one way. Pull your O-ring off. I do recommend getting a new one of these. So you're gonna want to take note which wire goes to what on your fuel pump. Phillips head, 3 screws. Go ahead and loosen them up. Alright. Let's see. Never hurts to have a little pair of needle nose. Get your wires out of the way. All you do is slide this straight up. The whole assembly comes out. So this is an aftermarket high pressure fuel pump. You just want to wiggle it loose, slide it straight out. Now on your factory filters, do not take this off. You take it off, it will not go back on. You have to buy a whole new filter. So I think I paid 30-40 bucks for the fuel pump, included a filter, and then I bought these extra filters, maybe $10 on eBay. They're on there pretty snug. Well, they do come off. They're just super tight. Do not lose that O-ring. There we go. So there's your fuel pump. And you can just order these filters. Like I said, if you separate your factory filter right here, this part will not go back on. Toss it aside, take your new filter. Big hole, big hole. And just press them back on. It's pretty hard. Couple little love taps and there you go. Simple as that. You replace your filter and your fuel pump. All you want to do is take this, your electrical port is going to go through this hole, feed it down in there, click in place. Actually, make sure you don't forget your O-ring. Then you can slide it in place. Take your wires. Take note of these right here also. They do come out. Slide your filter in. Line it up. And press it in place. That's all there is to it. Rewire it back up, bolt it back in, and you're good to go.